Hello, 9th standard students. Today we are going to learn the lesson Matter Around Us. In this chapter, we are going to learn about matter and its classification. The entire world that we see, touch, and feel around us is made up of matter. The plants and the trees around us, the pets that we love, the ground that we walk on. Why? Even our own bodies are all made up of matter. Matter is everything around us. All the materials in our surroundings have two properties. They are matter has mass, matter occupies space. Thus, we say that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Do you know what is matter is composed of? Yes, as we have already learnt that matter is made up of tiny particles called an atom. What is an atom? The smallest unit of an element that exhibits the properties of the element is called as atom. So an atom is the basic unit of a matter. What is known as molecule? The smallest unit of a pure substance which always exists independently and can retain physical and chemical properties of that substance. Now, let us know about classification of matter. We have studied in 8th standard the classification of matter. On the basis of physical properties, matter can be classified into solid, liquid and gas. Only one matter that exists in 3 states, that is water. Likewise, on the basis of chemical composition, matter can be classified into pure substances and impure substances. Impure substances are known as mixture. With the help of this flow chart, we can understand the classification of matter. So, matter can be classified into pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances can be divided into elements and compounds. A pure substance has fixed composition and fixed properties. For example, pure water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 degree Celsius. These are the properties of all samples of pure water. So, pure water contains only 2 hydrogen atoms and an oxygen atom, which cannot be separated by physical methods. In science, a pure substance is either an element or a compound. Now, let us see about an element. Do you know how the music is composed? Music is the combination of a few basic musical notes. What are they? Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni. These musical notes are the building blocks of music. Likewise, all the matters on earth are made up of simple substances called elements. There are 118 elements known at present. These 118 elements are the building block of all materials. Robert Boyle used the term element. He stated that an element is a pure substance that cannot be split into simpler substance by physical or chemical methods. According to modern atomic theory, an element is made up of same kind of atoms. Example, copper, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. For example, copper is an element which is made up of only copper atoms. This copper is reddish brown in color. This copper atom cannot be broken into simpler substances, but we can make more compounds from copper, such as copper carbonate. This green color salt is the copper carbonate. Then copper disulfate, blue color salt, this copper disulfate. Then copper dioxide, black color salt. So these are the compounds of copper. All elements can be classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids on the basis of their various properties. We have already learned the properties of metals, non-metals and metalloids in 8th standard. Now let us know about compound. What is a compound? A compound is a pure substance composed of two or more elements combined together chemically in a fixed ratio by mass. For example, common salt is known as sodium chloride. It is a compound made up of two elements, sodium and chlorine. Sodium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. Sodium chloride, that is common salt, is used in our food, whereas sodium and chlorine are poison. As elements, both are unsafe, whereas as a compound, salt is good for giving taste. Another example for compound is sugar. Sugar contains three kinds of elements: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Its chemical formula is C12H22O11. 12 atoms of carbon, 22 atoms of hydrogen and 11 atoms of oxygen. So dear students, I hope you understood about the matter and its classification. In this video, we learned about pure substances. Next video, we will learn about mixture. Thank you, students.